Okay, so we're back again. Got the attachment on, the tire's all set. I had to plug it, there was a screw in it. So we're on the first floor of the garage. You can see I did a little bit over there. So we're gonna show you how it's working. Only thing is, it's gonna be hard to film because you need more than one hand because there's multiple buttons. So this little trigger operates the thrower. So that gives it the power. You turn it with that. So basically you have to push forward and press at the same time. See? So push and press, push and press. So it's to go right, to go left, to go right, to go left. And you have to have that working at the same time. These little buttons here take the head and push the head up and down. So I can't do that and film at the same time. So, hold on, let me see what I can do here. I'll put you down for 1 second, because I gotta move this where I need the head to go. Okay, so now we get the head all set. Alright, so I got the head kind of angled. So, got it down. Let's drop her down. And let's see if we can't do this while we're holding on. Try to set the camera. My phone. Here we go. Gotta pump up the gas so the thrower doesn't throw too good. Tilt the head up a little. And there we go, look at that. So, that basically the snow out. We'll let that fall down and then we'll go back and we'll pick that up. It'll be a little easier up top. I got the ceiling right here, we just clear. As you can see, that's why we're in the little machine. Well, alright. Oh, I'm gonna get some more done and maybe we'll take another video on the roof where we can actually really throw some snow. Alright, thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share the video.